Just keep going at this point.
For the bit. Oh my god. Oh, my hand is dead.
You're scratching up my car.
Did you look at the hood?
Yeah, it's spotless.
Did you look at this fender?
Spotless.
Did you look at that fender?
Oh my god!
Both of them are just pointing at me in the worst angles. Alright, now we just need some heat. That reaches. Yeah, I'm getting cold here.
You have 2 hours and 39 minutes.
You set up cruise control. I can barely set up lights.
I know, right?
So would you like to spin these nipples around?
Oh man. I think we should leave the nipples right where they're at. Alrighty. We are currently sitting in the freezing cold once again because the weather is never on our side. And we are about to start the MG for a long time.
What?
I screwed that up.
Well, ideally, we'll start it for a long time. But what Jay meant to say is that we'll start it for the first time ever.
I'm gonna read.
Yeah, he's gonna retry it. It's okay.
Alright. The sun. I need sunglasses. It's pretty bright.
Yeah.
The sun has since come out, and that means that we get to drive this thing. So we are currently in the process of
What are we in the process of, Jay?
driving the car. No. And fixed all the lights. It's pretty awesome to see that it will make it pretty much 4.5, 5, 6 hours north without any issues. What are you laughing at?
It's a bug.
There was like I thought it was a moose fly. I was like, shit.
As you were talking, a bug just came up and whacked
Yeah.
the lens. And I was like,
oh
God.
no. Oh no.
That's our out. Go like this. Nice.